When you're building your schedule around SEL, social emotional learning, it's such a big topic, and there are tons of wonderful research-based curriculums out there. But I'd like you to think about it as more of a natural thing, like something that you lean into every day, no matter what you're doing. Here's the way I think about it. If I'm going to watch a romantic movie, I'm kind of changing my mood a little bit. If I'm going to watch a scary movie, I'm changing my mood a lot. We are going to an amusement park. We set ourselves up to transition to that. We're going to something that might be sad or really hard to deal with. We transition to that. Those are all social emotional skills. Our experiences over our lifetime has helped us to change the way we feel when we have to approach something that's sad, that's hard, that's frustrating, that we just don't feel like we can get through it. Or maybe it's super exciting and we want to get ourselves super excited to get to it. Those are all things that we've learned over time. And most of the time, we've learned them through our role models. So, one of the things to think about is instead of SEL being another thing to do once a week for 20 or 30 minutes, let's think about everything we do all day. How do we transition and prep our kids to get themselves in a space to be more successful with what's coming next? All day, every day.